Hello and welcome. My name is Renne. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 easy-to-replicate resource templates. As busy teachers, we like nothing more than a colleague sharing tried and tested things that work. So I've chosen templates rather than actual resources, as they'll be easy to use no matter where you teach. None require any special skills, money, or a lot of time, but they're all effective and versatile. In an age where we're faced with high-tech options, they're all quite old-fashioned and proudly low-tech. I hope you'll find them useful. The Hexagon Race. This is a puzzle activity that requires the students to match the words on the 3 sides of triangles to make a large hexagon or 6-sided shape. Draw a large hexagon on a piece of A4 paper and divide it into smaller triangles. Write a present simple verb along the inside line of each side of the triangles and its past form on the inside line of the adjacent triangle. For example, eat, ate. You're making puzzle pieces for the students to match. Then cut out all the triangles. Ask your students to match the sides of each triangle to make one giant hexagon. The activity works with any age or level. You can prepare the triangles with synonyms, antonyms, collocations, etc. Make sure there's only one match for each triangle. My students like doing it as a race and never tire of it. They also like making their own and challenging each other. My 7-time sheet. Create a template for your students to help them with their errors. Write what I say, what I should say. Repeat this 7 times, leaving enough space for their entries. You might like to start your class off with some common errors you've noted before asking them to add their own. They can use the sheet when writing as a checklist for proofreading. This will ensure they haven't made any of their usual favorite repeated errors. Or, when doing a speaking task with a partner, they can hand it to their partner to monitor their speaking for these errors. This will allow them to focus on their fluency while their partner checks for accuracy. This is good, not just for getting rid of errors, but for encouraging the students to support each other. Helping somebody else is empowering. Once you've worked to get rid of 7, you can begin a new sheet, but should file the old one so that they can see how far they've come. Getting rid of 7 errors is very motivating. It's progress that you can easily see. I found that both parents and students respond well to this. Finally, for students too shy to give their own opinions, take 2 paper plates and cut a pizza slice out of one. Take the whole plate and divide it like a pizza. In each slice, add a country, profession, historic time, or age group. Attach the 2 plates with a butterfly clip so that the one with the piece cut out is on top and spins on the other to reveal the slices. Students can spin it and give their opinion from the point of view of the slice they landed on. This will free them up and move them out of themselves, making it easier to talk. So to end, here is my top tip. Don't be afraid to use the same template in multiple ways. The same template used with a different vocabulary or grammar point will feel like a new activity.